down here in the old gateway. You can smell us cooking it every day. Drinking beer, drinking beer, drinking beer, drinking beer, oh, drinking beer. Whiskey tasting, I don't miss it. Red wine sipping, I won't diss it. But that's